viewers, welcome back. Today I am there with you with another sequence for lower abdominal fats and popularly known as lower abs. So let's start with few exercises with leg movement and leg lifts. All of them I am showing with 10 repetitions, but you can perform till 15 or 20 and 2 to 3 times each. So let's start. Okay. Take position on the floor, palm on the floor near your body. First exercise, leg lifts. 90-degree up and slowly down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next exercise is leg rotation with both legs. So take position, breathing in, up, breathing out, down. Breathing in, up, breathing out, down. Make as big as much possible for you. If not at all possible, then you can start with small rotations. 8 to 10 clockwise, left to right, that is clockwise. Take a gap for 5 to 10 seconds and anti-clockwise. Breathing would be same. Breathing in, up, breathing out, down. Breathing in, up, breathing out, down. Protect your spine by keeping hands near your spine, palm on the floor. That was anti-clockwise. Third exercise in this sequence, fold your knee, straighten your leg. Fold that your knee should reach your chest and make it straight till it goes almost touching the floor or parallel to the floor. I am showing 8 to 10 repetitions. You can try till 20 and set of 20 2 to 3 times. Fourth exercise in this sequence, adding little more challenge. Leg lift and split. Up and down and sideways. Up and down and sideways. Breathing out, breathing in, breathing out, breathing in. Last exercise in this sequence for the day. Lift your both legs, take right, up, left, right to left, left to right, right to left, left to right. You will feel great pressure on lower abdomen, lower abs. Keep doing. सूर्य नमस्कार के और बेली फैट के लिए वीडियोस मैंने डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में डाले हैं, प्रायर वीडियोस चेक कीजिए मेरे, और डू सब्सक्राइब टू माय चैनल, स्टे इन टच विद मी. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग.